What's up, guys? And welcome back to another I Know First video. Our artificial intelligence predictive algorithm is slicing through the stock market daily, unearthing the hottest investment opportunities to crush the competition. Today, I'm showing you guys how I handpick my stocks using our AI forecasts. This month, I crafted my own portfolio using our AI's forecasts, and the results are electrifying. Check the portfolio on screen. My portfolio delivered a scorching 9.82% return, leaving the S&P 500's 4.43% in the dust. That's a whopping alpha of 5.39%. Let's break down how I picked these stocks using the AI's razor-sharp insights. I tapped into a mix of our premium forecast packages to build this portfolio. My first step is always the big picture. Even the best stock can tank if the market's crashing, so I check the market's pulse first. Using the market indicators, I checked the short-term forecasts and saw the Nasdaq and S&P 500 topping the charts, signaling our AI's confidence in an upward swing. Plus, the VIX is rock bottom, hinting at low volatility in the near term. That's a green light for bold picks. But here's the twist. The longer-term forecasts reveal lingering volatility. Check the heat map on screen. This tells me to stay sharp, but confident in building a long portfolio for the month. Our AI is giving me the roadmap to navigate the market's ups and downs with precision. Next, I zoom into sector forecasts. In the short term, XLK, technology, and XLY, consumer discretionary, are dominating the charts. See them on screen. I cross-check the one-year forecast, and boom, XLK and XLY are still at the top, flashing sky-high signals and rock-solid predictability. That's my cue to dig deeper into these sectors for winners. I dive into the top 10 XLK and XLY stock forecasts to pinpoint the best bets. ADSK, Autodesk, caught my eye with a strong signal, but I picked it over higher-ranked stocks because its predictability was one of the highest. That call paid off. ADSK surged 7.7% this month. The performance chart on screen shows why predictability is king. Before locking in picks, I always double-check with technical analysis to confirm the AI's forecasts. Think of our AI as a super smart screener, narrowing thousands of stocks to a handful of elite candidates. Then, I use technicals to pick the best of the best. This is just one way of utilizing our AI forecasts. There are so many different ways you could use them. With XLY topping the sector charts, I couldn't ignore DPZ, Domino's Pizza, leading the AI's forecast. Technicals showed it trading in a range, but unlike my other picks, it didn't break out. DPZ stayed flat, dipping 2%. The chart on screen tells the story. However, in this same top 10 XLY forecast, I spotted Amazon. Once I saw this, I had to take a deeper look. On the Big 8 forecast, I spotted a wild divergence for Amazon. Short-term forecasts were positive, but long-term ones were negative. See the split on screen. Digging deeper, I noticed the long-term forecast improving daily, and the one-year forecast flipped positive. When checking the technicals, I noticed Amazon's weekly chart showed a breakout, and the RSI flashed a bullish divergence, complementing the AI's bullish divergence forecast. With the AI's top predictability, AMZN was a bold pick that's paying off. Cloudflare was my portfolio superstar. I picked it from the Russell 1000 package for its top-tier predictability. Why not the stock with a stronger signal? Technicals sealed the deal. Net was breaking out above its 50-day simple moving average, signaling more upside. Combined with our AI's bullish confidence, Net was a no-brainer. The chart on screen shows it's been a rocket ride. Net went up over 30% this month. RBLX, Roblox, was another home run, boasting stellar predictability and a strong signal in our AI's forecasts. It held a top spot for weeks, and technicals backed it up. RBLX was breaking out of a long-term range. That call delivered a whopping 23% gain. The breakout chart on screen is proof our AI and technicals are a killer combo. My next pick was WSM, Williams-Sonoma, the second highest stock in the XHB, Home Builders, components package. I chose it over the top stock because its predictability was off the charts. WSM rocketed to a 19% peak mid-month. Huge. It later settled at a 2% gain, but the chart on screen shows our AI spotted a winner early. Here's the kicker. WSM's surge wasn't just luck. Our AI flagged it as a top pick, and Wall Street backed us up, adding WSM to the S&P 500. That move sent the stock soaring and proves our AI was ahead of the curve, catching a top pick before the spotlight hit. Finally, I added an ETF, EPI, Wisdom Tree India Earnings Fund. Our AI ranked it among the top ETFs, and technicals showed a breakout from a downwards trend. EPI delivered a 1.31% gain. Check the performance on screen. Thanks for watching. If this video got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-driven insights. Here's to smarter, AI-powered investing. See you in the next one.